Good morning, good morning, good morning. What is poppin' with you people? My hair looking crazy. I should probably look in the mirror before I go live on YouTube. You know, I'm like, I don't know. I don't know what to do sometimes with my hands. Echo, echo, echo. Now we're good. No echo. What? I need a full crew over here. I need a full team of people over here to help me. I need a full. So you can see we got the McLaren back here. We've got the Hummer over there. And we are ready to party, baby. It's live. We're doing it. It's time to party. Let me fix this camera just a little bit. Let me see if I can fix it a little bit here. A little bit. Come it down. Bring it down. Right there. Right there. And then we gotta put it up there. Right there. Like that. Maybe like that. Oh yeah, that's better. Here we are. We're live. What's poppin'? I think it's out of focus now. Oh gosh. It's hard to do everything myself. Should be good now. Let me see. Let's see how we look. Oh, now we're looking good. All right. So, pulling up the charts here. What do we got? The NASDAQ overnight dipping down there, pushing back up right there at the pivot point right now. 18,600. 18,600. The trap is real, my friends. The trap is real. You know how we do. All right. Yesterday, what was very, very amazing yesterday, if you guys tuned into the live stream yesterday morning, well, you saw my short at open, and I was under the belief that we would fill the gap yesterday, and well, look at it happened. We filled the gap. 10:30 to 11 o'clock, filling the gap there on the QQQ. So, gaps love to get filled, baby. Gaps love to get filled. Right now, looking at where we're at, we closed yesterday here. We closed there at the 453s, where we closed at yesterday. So we are currently sitting just a little bit below there here this morning. So we got that gap to the upside here going into open. We still got about 23 minutes till the market opens up here for now. Right now, looking at the QQQ, we're at that pivot point, and then that gap to the upside there, 453 level. So got a little bit of a gap to the upside here. Overnight sold off, came back up, and looking to see what happens here today. It's time to party, baby. Pulling up the hourly chart here on the NASDAQ. If you can see the higher lows here. So Friday, the low down there, 18,275. Yesterday, the low, 18,480. 480, 450 there. So it's time, baby. What do we got in terms of news today? You got any news today? Well, let's see. Checking out the onlypropfirms.com website. We got a little bit of news. We got Jolt's job openings. That I feel like that should be some pretty good news. Get some action. So 10 o'clock news. Jolt's job openings for April. So we'll see what happens. My pivot point settings on the QQQ. Well, luckily for you, I'm in a good mood, but I don't really change any settings. People always ask me, like, I really don't. These are standard settings. So Standard settings, my friends. Nothing fancy around here. We keep it easy. We keep it simple. Yesterday, I requested my payout from Apex and was approved the same day. So Apex getting those payouts. Getting those payouts, baby. Getting pumped up here. Getting pumped up. It's time. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. You know how we do. Right now, looking at the NASDAQ here on the hourly chart. We had this overall downtrend last week. We had the all-time highs up there at the 19,000s. 19,000 all-time highs up there. We got a little pushback up there on Tuesday of last week. Then Wednesday started selling off. Thursday, Friday, dipping down there. And now, looking to see what happens. We got the VWAP there. No meetings today. I do have a meeting at 11 o'clock, but that won't affect my trading. I'm usually done by 11 o'clock either way. So, yeah, yesterday was definitely a little painful. So, it's part of it. You know, you're going to have red day. A little red opening. I actually ended up getting back in the green at the end of the day there, but just a little too aggressive. A little too aggressive there at the open. And you see how the market did sell off. We did get the sell-off we were looking for. So, we had the right idea. We just needed to be a little bit more patient. Patience, baby, patience. Patience, Johnny, patience. Boom, 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 boom. Hope you're good today. Guys, I'm fine. I had one little red trade and then I made it back at the end of the day. I'm chilling. I don't know why y'all are even worried about yesterday. Who cares about yesterday? Let's talk about today. Let's talk about today, baby. I put my Apex account payouts getting approved there. Approved. So I submitted a payout request yesterday, June 3rd. And you can see here, ended up green the end of day yesterday. So I ain't worried about it. Yesterday, I still ended up green. We took one red trade at open, and then we had no problem getting back to the green. So the payouts are ready. The payouts are approved. It's happening, baby. We are live doing this every day live on YouTube. All right. So the NASDAQ right now with that overnight low we're watching here, 18,500 level, 18,500 the low. So yes, those are 50K accounts. 50K accounts for Apex. 50K. Bow, 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 bow. Patrick, which Apex plan allows you to trade 60 contracts? I'm just gonna ban you because you're a fucking moron. Patrick, what Apex account lets you trade 60 contracts? I don't know, the one that your mom buys. Come on. Is that even a real question? Fucking assholes. Hey. Woo! Look at my head. My head. What was my head there for? My head. Oh, I wanted the chat there. There we go. My head. Why the fuck would you want to trade 60 contracts? Guys, it's called multiple accounts. It's called copy trading. Have you people not been here? It's 60 contracts trading multiple accounts. 3 contracts per account. Come on, guys. Don't be dum-dums. Don't be a dum-dum. Right now, the NASDAQ back above the VWAP here, back above the pivot point there, the 18,600s. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, we're kind of pushing back up now into that gap fill here. QQQ, we've got the gap, the close from yesterday up there at the 453s. Right now, pushing above that pivot point there, up towards 453 there, 452.50. So not too far to fill that gap right now. Someone said it was filled during the night session. Oh, little buddy, little buddy, little buddy. Little buddy, little buddies. Little buddy. So yesterday you lost $1,500 per account on 50K accounts. Guys, my 50K accounts were up. They had plenty of money in them. Losing $1,500 is not going to kill me. Oh my God. I'm just gonna ban everybody today, baby. We're just banning everybody to fucking day, baby. For anybody that's wondering about my delay, I don't know, this every day it's like these stupid questions. Like, come on, guys. Look at my clock at the bottom there. I have no delay. I put no delay on the stream. You know, it's up to you guys. My internet is the fastest fucking internet around. How much delay do you guys have? 3 seconds. Oh, God. All right. We got news today. 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news today to think about. So let's see how that plays out. We got this overnight high up here, 18,680 area. Back above the VWAP here. Closing that gap on the QQQ right now. Todd, how many accounts do you trade on the PA? How many contracts? Normally 2 to 4 contracts per account. The nice thing is right now we got the VWAP to the downside. We got the pivot point there at the 18,613. So I feel like there's a decent amount of support to the downside right now. We've got this pivot point to the upside up there at the 18,789s, which is also pretty much like up into this resistance from Monday, from yesterday. We had resistance there at the 750s, and right now going into open right here. So through this resistance here at the 677s would put us up to that 750 area there next. So right now, being patient. Patience, baby. A little bit of resistance there at the 632s right now, running into that as well there on the 15-minute chart. So let's see how this plays out. I think through the 30-40 level, you've got that push up there towards the 680s. VWAP down there at the 600 level as well. So I think the fact that we have that gap from the close yesterday, we closed yesterday up there like 56s, 60 level. So I think she's looking primed and ready. 10 minutes till market opens up here. 10 minutes till market opens up. We are live on the YouTube. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. It's free to like. It's free to like. Don't hurt yourself. Right now, this 5-minute chart looking bull flaggy. Testing, 630s. Testing. Looks like GameStop once again to the downside. GameStop down to $26 now. Oh, those poor bastards. The poor bastards that were like, oh, GameStop's gonna go to $1,000. Like, yeah, sure, bro, sure, bro. Also, by the way, I'm giving away $1,000 on Twitter. Well, that's right. Who wants to win some money? $500 for 2 people. Head on over there to Twitter, leave a comment, show some love, and I gotcha. You gotta have PayPal, by the way. If you do not have PayPal, do not fucking enter the thing. All right, don't do it. GME and AMC made a lot of people a lot of money. I think I would be very I would use the word a lot very sparingly, because I truly don't think that a lot of people made a ton of money off of GME and AMC. I would say the majority my good deed for the day here, I think my good deed for the day, I'm gonna hook. This guy commented about he's trying to buy a new wheelchair and it's hard for him to do it, so I told him I would buy him a new wheelchair. It's only $399 with tax, so I feel like that's pretty cheap. $500 for my guy Dave here. Keep on grinding, baby. Keep on grinding. Let's go. All right, now, 5-minute chart. We got the pivot point down there. We've got the VWAP down there as well. Yeah, people commenting in the chat how they need a new TV. Go fuck yourself. If you guys have already hit that like button, you know what to do. The chat sometimes. Y'all funny. Y'all funny people in the chat. Woo. 6 minutes till the market opens, baby. 6 minutes. The Humvee, the Hummer, the Humvee. I don't know. You call it a Humvee or a Hummer? I'm not sure. The Hummer has 35-inch tires, but I'm getting 37s. Getting 37s, baby. Are you doing any Apex giveaways in the future? I mean, I feel like Apex accounts are so cheap that, like, they're not even, like, fun to give away anymore. You know? Dave TV, where are the 3 Fords? They're not in my garage. I got no more room in the garage. The garage is full. We got the McLaren. We got the Hummer. The Raptor out front. The Raptor is kind of like my daily driver. The Hummer is kind of like, I don't know. I haven't really figured out exactly what the Hummer's for, to be honest. I'm still trying to figure that out. What do I do with the Hummer? I don't know. We got 10 o'clock news today. 10 o'clock news. Patrick, what do you think about the new rules on Apex? I think the new rules are amazing. Better payouts, faster payouts, less rules. Everything better, 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 baby. Apex. Working on being not only the #1 prop firm that paid out more than anybody in the entire space, but just making it better. I actually got a meeting with Daryl and the guys at Apex this week. We're working on some big stuff. I'm doing everything I can to help them, help me, help you. So, man, how do you enter the Twitter giveaway? I don't know. Go on Twitter. What do I think about smart prop trader? Sounds terrible. What do I think about Take Profit? I do use Take Profit Trader. Would 40-inch tires fit on the Hummer? They might fit, but they would probably rub at some point. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, it's also an EV. Like, you don't want to get too crazy. You don't want to kill the fucking electrical, what do you call it? Kilowatts per mile? What do you call because it's not gas, so it's not gas mileage. What do you just call it? The electricity per mile? I don't know. The electricity per mile. Efficiency. Well, I understand the range part. What do you do after trading? Mostly just sit here and stare at the computer and hope and just wait for the next day. I just get very, I just sit here and basically just like, is it 9 o'clock again? Just waiting for the next live stream, baby. Waiting for the next live stream. All right, so the NASDAQ continuing to push up here. That gap in the QQQ is coming up. We got 3 minutes left here, baby. 3 minutes. And we're going to pretty much open up right below that gap. So I would say NASDAQ right now primed to move to the upside here. Nothing really to the downside right now. So, see what happens. And if you're wondering about the gap, well, just look where we closed at yesterday, right? So we closed up here, 453s. We're pretty much right below there now. The NASDAQ continuing to push up 637 there. So the NASDAQ, the QQQ, the gap in the chart, we've got less than 2 minutes till open. When is my next fishing video? Next fishing video is on this Friday. Next fishing video comes out on Friday. Courtney Poser. Go long, Pat. Okay, I'm all in. I always love to buy and sell based on people in the chat telling me what to do. That's the only way I can make any money, actually. It's so nice for you to help me. "15 seconds. 15 seconds till we get this open. And we got the overnight high up there at the 675s. 2, 1. It's time to party. NASDAQ right now pushing straight up there towards the 50s. It wants that gap fill. I think we pretty much just very close to getting that gap fill there. I think we pretty much tapped it on the QQQ, which is like right there, 453s. So got the gap fill there. It wasn't a massive gap or anything big, so let's see what happens here on the NASDAQ now. Give it some time. Pulling back right now into the 630 level. Got that pivot point down there at the 612s. Nice little pullback there for now. Back to the 20s, back into this little area of support from earlier. Bounced it right back up. Testing the range right now. Kind of like yesterday, trying to hold up there at the 620s for now. That pivot point down there at the 12s as well, so. Right now, just stuck here, battling this 30 to 20 level. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, everything looking weak here for now. Back down to the pivot point there, the 613s. Got the VWAP down there at the 600s, so. Who said to go long? Where's the girl that told me to get long at open? I've lost everything now. Courtney. Courtney told me to get long. I blame Courtney. Straight down right now. Oh, buddy. Down there to the VWAP. Does the VWAP hold us up here now? Got to get back above that VWAP here. The Bulls want to try to hold up the VWAP. Back up to that pivot point there again at the 11s. All right, so back up off the VWAP there now. Should try to make a new high here, I think. This thing starts pushing through the 30s. That swing there at open. Let's see. We get through that 30 break. Dollar's looking weak right now. See if we can take out that 30 level there next. Tapping 30s once again. Sitting right there below the 30s. The dollar looking weak here. The Dow pushing up. NASDAQ trying to get through the 30s. The ES pushing up. She wants it. Back to the pivot point again. Stuck there for now. Very convincing pushback up here into the 20s again. I'm trying this long through the 30s here. Got to go straight up through the 30s. Need that push right here, right now. Fucking A. Stuck there below the 30s again. Giving it a second here. Watching that pivot point level. I don't want this back below 10, so I got my stop right below there. I might get stopped out here, but I'm actually going to put it right below this candle. 804 stop. We're stuck right there, man. Bouncing off that pivot again. Trying to get this 30 break. Being a little greedy here. Let's see if she's going to go all the way through the 30s now. Needs to go right through 30s there. Take me out of the 36s. Well, that's fun. Now the market's going nowhere. Fucking A. We got news at 10 o'clock. Just stuck in this range so far. The ES is trying to push up. The dollar's selling off here. The Dow's going straight up. Let's see if the Nasdaq's gonna rip here. It needs to go. Wow. And again, stuck there the 30s. Why? Once again, back up there to the 30s. If we don't break through the 30s right here, right now, I'm getting the fuck out of this trade, and I'll wait till after the news. Like it needs to go like right now. I'm watching it. Ugh. Should have gotten out right there. Oh my God. This candle has got to go. Oh my baby Jesus. Oh my God. Getting very tight here going to this news. The trap is real. Let me see if I can just get out here at 26s. Now that I put my target there, it's gonna rip. Phew. Not looking too good here. Again, stuck there at the 20s. She got the VWAP down there. 604s. I'm gonna move this right below 600 just to watch that VWAP there. Oh my God. I love how my entry is now acting as resistance there. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Wow. Down to the VWAP. Stopped out. Yay. Now it's gonna bounce. Oh, yeah. NASDAQ back down here to the 580s again. Everybody in the chat, like, I love it. I love it. Yay. Just keep talking shit. It don't matter. Like, it don't matter. Keep on with it. It don't matter. Fucking A. Ugh. Here comes the news. LOL. Patrick! I told you it was gonna be a short. Will you shut the fuck up? Will you just shut the fuck up? God. You fucking morons. Not everybody in the chat, but the guys literally sitting here fucking acting like they're big dick daddies because they're, oh, I told you, Patrick, it was gonna go down. I told you, Patrick, it was gonna go down. I told you, Patrick. God, just shut the fuck up. That's what you should do. Literally just shut the fuck up because you have no fucking clue what you're talking about. You know, it's like, you're fucking hilarious. Morons. NASDAQ up there through the 30, 40s. Took out the high, just like I said. Just like I said. Just like I fucking said. It did it. It did it. It did it. It fucking went to the moon. It went to the motherfucking moon. Who got short before that news came out? Who? Who got short? Who got short? Exactly. Exactly. Oh, I ain't worried. I know. I ain't worried. No worries here. All right, NASDAQ still kind of wanting to push. So the NASDAQ breaking through the 15-minute range right now. Big old boner candle with that news came out there. Again, back down to the pivot. Chop Chop City here. Dollar going straight back up. The Bears and the Bulls are battling hard today. Back to the VWAP once again. We got the 15-minute range to the downside now. Don't forget about either. Dollar pushing back up here. Little triple bottom here, down at that 580s again. Oh, buddy. We lose that 580 support. Well, then you're thinking the overnight low down there into the 500s. Pretty much in this 15-minute range right now. You got both the ES and the NASDAQ stuck below a pivot point right now. Both the ES here, the ES is right there at that 5,285 pivot point right there. The ES, NASDAQ both stuck at the same time. It's not a good sign. That 580 area, crucial level now for the NASDAQ here. Stuck there below the pivot point, stuck there below the VWAP right now on the NASDAQ here. Dollar's pushing up. I think we break that 580 here, and then it's a quick move down. Well, let's see. $590 still holding up there. The chop is real. Both the VWAP and the pivot point acting as resistance. Just can't get back above there for now. Being patient. We lose this 80 support, then we got a lot of downside. But for now, they're holding it up there. So you just don't want to go crazy getting short here and this thing rips back up. We're holding that 90 level. For now. Talk about fucking chop. This market right now. Job City. I gotta go. The fucking AC guy's here. I had to go. The AC guy is here. People always want to do meetings right when I'm doing important stuff on the internet. This is just, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what this is right now. This is painful. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Again, back up here. Back up, back up, back up. What a time to be alive. Can we get back through this 600 area right there at the VWAP now at the pivot point? Dollar's pulling back now. I'm gonna take this long here to get through this and try to get up there into the 20s quickly. Right there at 25 target here. Maybe a little 23s, see if we can get it. Oh my god, just chopped it right back down. Are you kidding me? Not again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Just chopped it back down there. Wow. Wow. Phew. Thought we'd get at least 25s there. $15-minute chart. Patrick, do you think Apex is going to take away the option to trade 20 accounts? No, why would they? NASDAQ right now stuck below the VWAP here. Pivot points. Even in this crappy market right now, still sitting nice and green here in the PA accounts. Hey, little losses here and there. You get in it, you make it, you go. Go, go, go. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing up there through the pivot point again. She wants it. She wants it. I'm gonna try this long, see if we can't get a breakout here. Got to get up there through the 30s. She wants to go. Stuck there at the 20s again. No breakouts today. Bouncing off the pivot point there again. She's primed. She's ready. See if we can get filled here at the 30s or so. 30s. Bang! 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 Oh, I make myself laugh sometimes. Man. Why do your accounts have different P&Ls? So I trade 5 accounts at a time. 5 accounts per trade, per group. I don't trade all 20 with one trades. Ashley, Patrick, you got to say the reverse of what you're doing. Well, it just worked. It just worked. It just worked. Go ahead and fade me. Go ahead and fade me. Look at it, still going. The long from the 15 now, up there through the 30s. Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? Look at that, still going. She's still going. Dwayne Johnson, aren't you still down like 18,000? No. What are you talking about? So you can see what my idea was. The ES got back above that pivot point there on the 15-minute chart, and both the ES and the NASDAQ turned the VWAP into support, turned the pivot points. Look at the QQQ as well, getting back above the VWAP, getting back above the pivot point there. So finally getting that breakout. I told you it wanted the 30s. Have you regained your losses from yesterday? Guys, I want you all to know something. I want you to know something. Patrick Wieland always wins. He's a winner. Look at this. Apex accounts approved yesterday, June 3rd, 2000. This is my end of day balance on the PA accounts yesterday. God. How's he up when he was just down on the first trade? Richard, I want you to understand something. Okay, if you take a $500 loss on a trade and then you enter it again and you make more money, I think people don't understand that. You can have a losing trade and you can still be green at the end of the day. You can still be green at the end of the day. Why is it only 8? Because those 8 accounts were at 10 days. God. I know I'm lying. It's all fake. Photoshop. It's all Photoshop, man. I just can't help myself. I'm just so good at Photoshopping. It's so good at Photoshopping. How do you get so good at this? He's too good. He's too good at the Photoshop. So what happens is if you take a trade, right? Let's say you take a $500 loser, right? You take a $500 loser and then you place another trade, right? You take another trade and then you make $1,000. What happens then? then you're up $500 on the day. You know what I mean? It's another $500. Like if you're down 500s, then you're up. Get on my level, people. I don't know. If y'all can do me one big favor, do me one big favor. If you're watching this stream right now, I don't ask for much, right? But I need your help. I do need your help right now. And I don't, like I said, I don't ask for much. If you can just help me help you, right? I promise you I will keep on doing fun stuff and we're going to keep on winning together. If you can do me one big favor here, right? Go check out the video that I posted last Friday. You don't even have to watch it. Just check it out. Leave a little comment, hit the like button, show some love, you know? I got a big meeting later on today and it's a sponsorship for the fishing team and you know, I need to come correct. I need to come correct here. I need y'all to help me. Help me, people. Check out the liquidated page, right? It's free to like, it's free to subscribe. All right. And I want to do a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway where I take some YouTube subscribers out fishing for a day. Look at my beautiful face. We're going to do that. Look at Victoria. Oh, Victoria with the fishy fish. But yeah, if y'all can help me help you, hit that subscribe button. So I appreciate it. I don't ask for much. And don't forget, I'm giving away $1,000 on Twitter today. $1,000 on Twitter to one lucky subscriber. Why do people choose the 50K account instead of the higher accounts with Apex? Well, I think the real question is basically the requirements to get funded, right? So if you look here on the Apex website, we're looking at let's look at the 50K account, right? 50K account, the drawdown here. So that's a 50K account. You can see your profit goal is 3,000. Your trailing threshold is 2,500, right? So 3,000, 2,500, you can trade 10 contracts. That's a pretty good overall risk reward, right? Like the profit goal and the trailing threshold is only a $500 difference. Where if you go and you look at the bigger accounts, you know, for example, the 300,000 account, your profit goal is 20,000 and 7,500. So that's why I like the 50K account. I think the 50K accounts are a lot easier to get funded. You know, right now the NASDAQ trying to push. We are still very much in the opening range here. See, I don't like the 25K account though, because you can only trade 4 contracts. That's the only thing about the 25K account that I don't like. You can only trade 4 contracts. So that's probably, yeah. Maybe that's fine. I don't know. The 50K account's nice too because you can trade, you can request a $2,000 payout per payout. So, and yeah, by the way, right now Apex is still 90% off. Look at this thing off of the VWAP again, off of the pivot point. Can we finally get the fucking breakout here? Can we finally get the fucking breakout here? Susan, thanks for the love on the fishing videos. I appreciate you guys. I hate to be that guy asking for likes and comments, but hey, I don't ask for much. Appreciate you. I appreciate you. Chad Cobra, PW, ICT. Hey, we're winning, baby. Polymoto, thank you, thank you. But hopefully I can do this giveaway very soon if you guys want to hit it up. I'm gonna send my homie. I'm gonna pay for my homie's wheelchair right now, baby. Look at this NASDAQ up there to the 650s. There we go. The money has been sent. $500 to my little, I don't know, it's a little, but my friend on Twitter. You guys support me, I'm gonna support you. This is Dave. Dave was talking about, he said that he's been in a wheelchair for years due to a problem with his spine, works 2 jobs. It's difficult to work in this situation. He said he'll buy a new wheelchair and invest the rest into his trading account if he won. But I said, hey, let me just buy your new wheelchair right now, baby. Hey, I might not be a terrible, well, I might be a terrible YouTuber sometimes and I might get off on people, but hey, at the end of the day, you guys support me and I'm trying to support people out there that support me. I think Dave is very much, what do you call it? What do you call it? What's the word for that? What's the word for that? Deserving. Very deserving. Very deserving. Brian C. I didn't get off on people. The NASDAQ up there to the 50s again. Congratulations, Dave. Hey, I might have been wrong. I might have been wrong about the long at open or this long in the 20s, but at least the nice thing is, like, when you think about it, like when I'm looking at this now, it's like, yeah, I might have been wrong with the trade, with the execution, but I do believe that I was right in my overall thesis. You know, I was right with the idea, just I had the wrong execution, you know, and it happens sometimes. Yesterday, similar thing. So, haters are gonna hate, players are gonna play, people are gonna make money, and that's just the way it goes, man. So, I'm not mad about it. It's just part of the business sometimes. K unit LOL. Can you choose to not pass in one day? Yes. You don't have to pass Apex in one day. Trust me, guys. I see people in the chat talking about getting close to a payout. I've been there. Don't, you know, it happens. That fuck, you're like a few days away from payout, and then this kind of shit happens. You get chopped up. You fucking end up blowing up the account. Hey, I've been doing this for 7 years, and I still do stupid shit. I still do stupid shit. But the focus, oh God, look at this. The focus is simple, right? We keep showing up, we keep focusing, we keep getting it done. You know, that's really what it comes down to. So a little red. You take, sometimes you'll have a red day. Sometimes you have a green day. And the thing is, hey, think about it like this. Think about it like this, my friends. It's very, I don't want to say simple, but when you think about it, if you have a 75% win ratio, 80%, 60%, whatever it is, that means that 40% of the trades that you take are going to be losing trades. You know, like that's, think about that. You could have a 75% win-loss ratio, and that means you're losing 25% of the trades. And it might be red trade, red trade, red trade. Nobody, there is no, you know, rule that you have to be, it has to be green, red, green, 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 red, green, green, green. Like, you might have those days where you might, the first trade of the day might be red on Monday. First trade of the day on Tuesday, red again. You know, that's just, that is part of trading. Think about that. 75% win-loss ratio. And you can still very much have a red day, have a losing trade. And that's just part of trading. So, what do I think about summer trading? I honestly don't really, it doesn't bother me either way. And right now, Apex is 1 day past 90% off. So, how much do you recommend taking out when you hit the 52,600 mark? I mean, to be honest, like, take what you need. You know, like, if $1,000 is gonna help you, or you know, if you pay yourself, you know, I mean, fuck, just pay yourself. I always take the max that I could take, because at least if I blow up the account, like I took the maximum out, you know. That's not like that's not my advice to you, but like personally, that's the way I look at it. Because let's say the cost of the account, let's say I spend $500 getting funded, you know, resets, more accounts, whatever, $500. Like, if I could take $2,000 out, that I'm like walking away with $1,500 in profit, you know, on that investment. So, like, if somebody came to me and said, Patrick, if I give you $500, if you pay me $500, I'll give you $1,500 back. So, yeah, I don't know. I think you just got to get paid, man. Get paid. Nothing wrong with getting paid. All right, I got a meeting here at 11 o'clock with a big sponsorship deal. Big sponsorship deal for the liquidated fishing team. I'm pretty hyped up. I got to get ready. Got to be looking good. So, we'll see. So yeah, this is just, I mean, there's days, you gotta remember, every month, I would say 60% of the time, the market is shit. You know, like 60% of the time, the market is literally just absolute shit. So that's just a fact. 60% of the time, the market is chopping and, you know, not giving you good setups. And so, yeah, buddy. There's the link for the liquidated YouTube channel if you guys want to check it out. Big thank you guys for tuning in today. We're walking away in the green. We took a little bit of heat at the beginning of the day, and we're still in the green, and that's all that matters, baby. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to be right. I'm not here to be wrong. I'm here to get rich. Rich, boys. We want to get rich. You know what I mean? Just rich. So I got to run here. My final total of the day here. For all the haters. I do it for you, baby. I do it for you. Thank you. 10 to 20 points. That's all you need. That is all you need. Trust me. Take a little bit of heat here and there, but focus on the bigger picture. Focus on the profits. Make the money. Make the money, honey. Wait, so you ended up green. Guys, you can have one loser and then have one winner and be green on the day. It's that simple. If you have a strategy and you have one loser, you can then make more money. I also showed you guys that it's possible. You lose a little bit of money, you make a little bit of money. You lose a little bit of money, you make a little bit of money. Right now, the NASDAQ just stuck here in the middle. It's a good time for me to walk away. If the market don't want to move, guess what? No reason in trading it. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, hit up all the like button, subscribe buttons. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully we get some better price action. Wild Wednesdays. MSA, because when I was here earlier, you were down 10,000. Yeah. Do you not fuck? I'm trading multiple accounts, guys. You know, I trade multiple accounts. So you divide the 10,000 by multiple accounts. That's per account at that point. And then you solve. So. Oh, big thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow morning. The 30% rule, will it affect your 3K profit? No, because I'm consistent. I've already had $2,000 days, right? It's not that I made $10,000 in one day, right? It's if I make $2,000, $3,000 consistently, the 30% rule doesn't matter. I don't know why people are so fucking confused about this. The reason that the 30% rule fucks people over is because they make $5,000 in one day and then they don't trade for the next 9 days. They trade micros. You cannot make all of the profit in the account in the first fucking day. I don't know why it's so hard to understand. It's consistency. So there it is. All right, I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.